MyWerx is an automated song delivery solution. We'll save you time and slash your costs. When a writer delivers a song to a publisher, there are details that must be organized to ensure everyone gets paid. These details tell us who owns what. Organizing and validating these details are time-consuming and prone to errors that result in non-payment. And discussing who owns what is important, but it's not always easy to have this conversation. Writers can have different ideas about their splits, and when there's no discussion, there's no agreement, and the problems start. When writers don't agree on their splits, publishers don't know how much they own, and record companies can't issue licenses. When licenses are delayed, publishers and writers don't get paid, and frustrations build for everybody. Even when things go right, obtaining work details, sharing digital files, and managing documents costs an estimated $150 per work. Today, writers deliver both digital files and work details like titles, collaborator names, and splits. Publishers must communicate manually using email and phone calls to validate the information and confirm that everyone's in agreement. Once the details are validated, assignments are printed, signed, copied, or scanned, and eventually filed. Then assignments are recorded with the Copyright Office. The more time that goes by, the more details are forgotten. Problems like split disputes, forgotten samples, misspelled names, and wrong titles increase cost. When the validation process takes too long, we take shortcuts thinking some information is better than no information. And we use bad information on assignments, in our computer systems, and submit it to PROs and licensees. When these details are wrong, expenses soar 2 and 3 times, delaying licensing processes and income. Today, multiple people in multiple companies do the same work because there's no better way to collaborate. This creates millions of dollars of waste and hundreds of millions of dollars of delayed payments annually. Customers are frustrated and abandon the licensing process altogether because it takes too long to check out. Industry leaders agree we need a simple, more powerful way to collaborate. One that works in real time. So we developed WerxPost. WerxPost organizes details anywhere you are using our iPhone app or the web application. WerxProof stores files, establishes evidence, and securely shares digital files with your network. WerxConnect starts the discussion of who owns what early, with automated communications that simplify the validation process. And WerxDocs creates, sends, and files documents with a single click. With MyWerx, knowing who owns what is simple and automated. The who owns what conversation starts instantly from a mobile device or the web, and work details are automatically shared with all the parties when a writer or publisher posts a new work. Validate a work with one click, or make modifications, and everyone is immediately notified. The work remains unvalidated as illustrated by the yellow indicators. When everyone has validated the work and reached agreement, the work is locked. Now, the power of one makes it simple. Instead of 3 or more versions of the truth, there's one work with details to validate. There's one file to share. Delivery of work details and digital files is reduced to a click when you share. Creative staff members listen and approve from their iPhones or the web. Administrative staff create, send, and file assignments with one click. And you have the option of integrating validated data into your existing business systems. With prices starting as low as $15 per work, we're slashing costs by 90% and more. With 100 new works per year, a business can save between $13,000 and $28,000 per year. If a business is delivering 2,500 new works per year, it can save between $345,000 and $720,000 per year. MyWerx. We're automating the song delivery process, saving time, slashing costs, giving you more freedom to create.